राधिकायै तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। कृष्णदास कविराज रसिक वकतमाच ज्यो कईल चैतन्य चरी गौर गोविंद लीला सुनित गलय शिला ताते न भैल मोर रति। श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत मध्य लीला चैप्टर फर्स्ट। संन्यास करि 24 वर्षर कैलासी जी कर्म अनंत अपार तार के जानिबे मर्म। महाप्रभु took संन्यास। अनलिमिटेड लीला उद्देश्य करिते करिते दर्शन मुख मुख लीलार करे श्रोत्रगण। There are main लीला speaking सूत्र। प्रथम सूत्र प्रभु संन्यास करी चलिला प्रभु श्री वृंदावन। Mahaprabhu took sannyas. After that, he wants to go Vrindavan. प्रमिते विवाल बाह्य नाई का स्मरण राणो देशे 3 दिन करिला भ्रमण। Mahaprabhu, prem aves. In this way, he has no smaran, cannot remember where he is going. 3 days he moved everywhere. नित्यानंद प्रभु महाप्रभु बुलाइया गंगा तेरे लैया गेला जमुना बोलिया। Then Nityanand Prabhu took him. He told, I am going to Vrindavan, you come with me. After that he came to Ganges bank. Spoke he, oh, this is Jamuna. We are coming to Vrindavan. Shantipuri Acharya Grihe Agavan Pratama Bhikha Kailataha Ratri Sankirtan. After that, Mahaprabhu Nityananda Prabhu, they came to Shantipur Advaita Acharya house. First time after sannyas, first time they took prasadam in Advaita Bhavan. In night time they did Sankirtan. Mata Bhakta Gani Taha Karila Milan Sarva Samadhan Kari Kaila Niladri Gaman. 10 days lived here. Satya Mata came. And so many devotees. In this way, Mahaprabhu met with them. After that, they went to Niladri, Jagannath Puri. Pathe Nana Lila, Sabdev Darshan, Madhav Puri Katha, Gopal Sthapan. On the way, so many Leelas, so many Devas Darshan. माधवपुरी कथा खिचड़ा गोपीनाथ and how Gopal established all katha खिचड़ी कथा साक्षी गोपाल विपरण नित्यानंद कोइला प्रभु दंड भंजन। After that खिचड़ी कथा साक्षी गोपाल कथा Nityananda Prabhu broke Mahaprabhu's danda. क्रुद्ध হইয়াই থাকিলা জগন্নাথ দেখিতে দেখিয়া মূর্ছিত হইলা হইয়া পড়িলা ভূমিতে Mahaprabhu was very angry. Then he told, so I am going alone. No need your association. But after then, Mahaprabhu came to Jagannath temple. That time he is fainting there. Sarvabhauma laiya gela apana bhavan tritiya pare Prabhu Vaila Chetan. Sarva Bhattacharya took Mahaprabhu in his house. After noon time, then Mahaprabhu's sons come. Nityananda, Jagadananda, Damodar, Mukunda. पाछे आसे मिली सबे पाइल आनंद. After the Nityananda Prabhu, Jagadananda Pandit, Damodar and Mukunda, they are coming later. Then everyone they meet with Mahaprabhu. तभी सार्वभौम में प्रभु प्रसाद करिला आपन ईश्वर मूर्ति तारी देखाई. After then Mahaprabhu here Vedanta Shastra 70. Then Mahaprabhu and Sarva Bhattacharya discuss. Mahaprabhu spoke all commentary, Vedanta commentary. What is right? After that, Mahaprabhu saw him Ishwara Murti Sarabhuj form to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. तभी तो करिल प्रभु दक्षिण गम कूर्म क्षेत्रे कैला Vasudev Vimocan. After that Mahaprabhu went South India. When Mahaprabhu came in Kurma Kshetra, there are Kushtarogi Vasudev Vipra. Vasudev Vipra, he was very sick. Then Mahaprabhu gave his pure body, fine body, all sickness gone. Yor nisange kaila nisingastavan pati pati grame grame naam pravartan. In this way Mahaprabhu came to Yor Nisinga. He prayed Narsinsta. On the way, village to village, give him Harinam Sankirtan. Godavari Tir Bani Vrindavan from Ramananda Rai Saitai Mila. Mahaprabhu came to Godavari. They are like Vrindavan. Mahaprabhu met with Rai Ramananda. त्रिमल्ल त्रिपति स्थान कैल दर्शन सर्वत्र करिल कृष्ण नाम प्रचारण. In this way, Tirumalai Parvat Tirupati, Mahaprabhu came there and did kirtan. तभी तपासन निगणे करिला दलन अहुबल निसिंगादि कैल दर्शन. Mahaprabhu had said, Pasanti, Buddhist, then Mahaprabhu gave mercy to them. After then, Ahubal nursing thee, সুখ দর্শন রঙ্গ ক্ষেত্রে আইলা কাবেরী রাতে শ্রীরঙ্গ দেখিয়া প্রেমে হইলাই অস্থির ত্রিমল্ল ভট্টের ঘরে কইল প্রভু বাস তাই রইলা প্রভু বর্ষা 4 মাস Mahaprabhu came to Srirangam, Tamil Nadu, near Kaveri River. Mahaprabhu lived there 4 months. Trimalla Bhatta house. Vaishnav, Sri Vaishnav, Trimalla Bhatta, Parama, Pandit, Gosai, Pandita Premi, Kaila Visme. So Trimalla Bhatta Sri Vaishnav, Sri Sampradaya Vaishnav. But he was very happy, surprised when he had seen to Mahaprabhu, Pandita Pratibha, his knowledge. Chaturmasam Mahaprabhu Vaishnave Rasane Gosai Gumaila Nitya Git Krishna Sankirtane. 4 months he lived there. Chaturmasantare Puna Dakshina Gaman Paramananda Purisa Tai Milan. After 4 months, Mahaprabhu went South India. So Paramananda Puri meet with there. Tabi Bhatto Thari Vaite Krishna Daser Uddhar Ram Japi Vipra Mukhe Krishnam Prachar. So Mahaprabhu's servant Shiva Krishnadas, Kala Krishnadas. But there are Bhattathari, lower class people. They are living there, that time they attracted this Krishnadas. Mahaprabhu took him. One devotee, Ram Shiva, worshipper of Ram. Then Mahaprabhu changed him. That time he is chanting Krishna. Sriranga Puri Satai Milan Ramdas Viprir Kaila Dukkha Vimochan Tattavadi Sa Kaila Tattira Vichar आपनाके हीन बुद्धि ताहैल सवार. तत्ववादी Sri Udupi, there Mahaprabhu spoke with them. Then Mahaprabhu teach them theory Tattva. अनंत पुरुषोत्तम श्री जनार्दन पद्मनाभ वासुदेव कैल दर्शन. In South India, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ananta Padmanabh, Purushottam, Janardhan, Padmanabh, Vasudev, all temple, Mahaprabhu went there. Tavi Prabhu Kaila Sapta Tal Vimochan. Setubande Snan Rameshwar Darshan. After that, Mahaprabhu came to Setubanda Rameshwaram. তাই করিল কর্ম পুরাণ শ্রবণ মায়া সীতা নীলি রাবণ তাতে লিখন Then Mahaprabhu here. In Kurmapura, they wrote, Rama kidnapped Sita. But this Sita is not real. Maya Sita. Mahaprabhu was very happy. Then Mahaprabhu took these books. Give to Ramdas. And see, Ravan not kidnapped to Asal Sita, real Sita, he kidnapped to false Sita. Brahma Samhita Karnamrit Dviputhi Paya Dui Pustak Liya Aila Uttama Janiya. Then Mahaprabhu took Brahma Samhita and Krishna Karnamrit from South India. Punarapi Nilachale Gamana Karila Bhaktagane Meliya Snan Jatra Dekhila. After then Mahaprabhu came to Jagannath Puri, then meet with devotees. After then Mahaprabhu acted Jagannath Snan Jatra. Anavasari Jagannath Napaya Darasan Birahi Alalnath Karila Gaman. Anavasari time Jagannath temple closed, cannot see to Jagannath 15 days. Then Mahaprabhu went to Alalnath. Bhakta Sane Din Gata Tai Raila Gaudir Bhakta Ai Se Samachar Paila. After then, so many devotees come from Gaudish. In this way, Mahaprabhu come again to Jagannath Puri. Virahi Vival Prabhu Guai Ratri Dine Enakali Aila Gaudir Bhakta. Sabe mili yukti kari kirtan arambila kirtana visi Prabhu mana sthira vaila. Day and night, always Mahaprabhu separations. Then all devotees, they decide who can start kirtan. In this way, they are doing kirtan. Purvijavi Prabhu Ramanandare Milila Nila Chalya Sivari Tare Agyatila Rajagya Layyate Vaila Kata Dine Ratri Dine Krishna Katha Ramananda Sane. Before Ramananda meet with Mahaprabhu, so Mahaprabhu gave order to him, you must come in Nilachal Jagannath. Then after few days, Ramananda came. Day and night, Mahaprabhu and Ramananda, they are speaking Krishna Katha each other. Kashi Mishra ke ba Pradyumna Mishra adi milan Paramananda Puri Govinda Kasishwara Agaman Damodar Sarum Milane Paramo Ananda Sikhimaiti Milan Rai Bhavananda Gauraiti Sarva Vaishnavi Ragaman Kulin Grambasi Sangi Prathama Milan. So many devotees came. Narari Dasadi Khandavasi Shivananda Sange Melila Savehase. Khandavasi, Narari Das and Shivananda Pandit. Everyone they came. Snan Jatra dekhi Prabhu Sange Bhaktagan. Sablaya Kaila Prabhu Kundicha Marjan. Mahaprabhu told all devotees, they went to Gundicha Mandir and cleaned their Gundicha. Savasangi Ratha Yatra Kaila Darasa Ratha Agre Nitya Kari Uddhane Gama Pataparudra Kripa Kaila Saistane Gaur Bhakti Agya Dila Vidaye Ratine. After that, Ratha Yatra, chariot festival. In the chariot festival, Mahaprabhu gave mercy to Prataprutra. After 4 months, Gauriya devotees, Gauriya Vaishnava, then spoke to them, oh, go to house. Long time you are staying here. Every year, please come in chariot festival. सार्वभौम घरे प्रभुर भिक्षा परिपाटी साटिर माता कहे जाते रंडी हो साटी की साटी सार्वभौम घरे Mahaprabhu every day going there and taking prasadam. Satir Mata. No. So, she is wife of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Every day cooking. So, his son-in-law came to inside, watched to Mahaprabhu. Oh, Mahaprabhu eating so much prasadam. In this way, abused to Mahaprabhu. After that, he was sick. Stomach problem. Become very sick. Then would be then his mother-in-law would be, oh, my son-in-law will be dying. Please save me. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya told, okay, she will be widow. The son-in-law will be dashed. Why he was to Mahaprabhu? Again he prayed to Mahaprabhu, then he was right. Varsantari Advaita Adi Bhakti Ragama Prabhure Dekite Savi Karilagama. आनंदेश्वरी निया जैन वासस्थान शिवानंद सेन करे सवार पालन शिवानंद संगी आईला कुकुर भाग्यवान प्रभुर चरण देखी हईला अंतर्धान. In Madhya Leela, all Leela, he is speaking only code words. There are so many devotees, they are coming every year, and Shivananda Sen give him their house where they are living, how they are living. One time Shivananda Sen coming, then his dog, one dog coming with devotee. After then on the way, Shivananda Sen is not there. Management, you are be for management, not giving prasadam. Then that dog went to Nilathav, Jagannath Puri. came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's place, offered pranam to him. Then Mahaprabhu gave some prasada. At once, the dog took prasad. Then he left the body. He went Vaikuntha Dham. पथे सार्वभौम सहस्रवार मिलन सार्वभौम भट्टाचार्य काशीते गमन प्रभुरे मिलिला सर्व वैष्णव आसिया जल कीड़ा कइला प्रभु सवारे लइया सवा लइया कइला गुंडीचा गृह सम्मार्जन रथ यात्रा दर्शने प्रभुर नर्तन रूपवाने कइल प्रभु विविध विलास प्रभु अभिषेक कइल विप्र कृष्णदास. In this way, every year, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu devotees coming, Mahaprabhu doing Ratha Yatra, Kirtan. After that, Mahaprabhu went to Vrindavan Dham. On the way, coming to Navadvip, Pulia, then Mahaprabhu gave mercy to Devananda Pandit, Chapal Gopal, then gave mercy to him, and he prayed to Srivas Pandit. In this way, Mahaprabhu going on the Vrindavan, on the way, so Nrsingananda Brahmachari, he might serve him to Mahaprabhu. Then he found Mahaprabhu coming back, not going. Then he told, oh, Mahaprabhu going only Kanai Narsala, after they are going back.